Buongiorno, Mariano again here. Oh yeah, still walking. Oh yeah, see here? Dai Stefano, vedi? See? I remember, you give me that hat. Mi ha dato te quella barretta qua. Put it here in the phone. Okay, now, like I said, today we do easy dishes. We make a pasta al forno, we call it, okay? That means instead of cook a pasta take it off from the water, put a sausage, cheese, you eat it. I cook halfway in the water, and then we put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, yeah? No, about. We make a pasta al forno, not just, we have to cook about halfway, or whatever it says here. If you take a 10 minutes, we cook it 5, and then you can see what I do, and then we put it in the oven till another about 10, 15 minutes. We check on and they call it Pasta Al Forno. Okay, I started with sausage here, because I have to fry a little bit, because it's hard to cut it when they're fresh, eh? That's the regular Mariano sauce. Pretty soon, they make a different label here. They got my picture here, but the meat is the same. Made from capital fine meat. Never go wrong with this, never go wrong with this. I cut it after, when there's half a cook. Okay, 1, 2, I put another one. If you got some left over after I can use it. Put a 3 for today, yeah. I think it's a lot. Okay, I put this, and then we work on the pasta, okay? So this one, we want to cook a little bit. Oh yeah, this I have to do peas. I have to steam a little bit, okay? The peas you buy, they're hard. There's no way you can put it with the pasta in the oven. You have to steam it. I steam it with a little bit of water, put it maybe a pinch of salt, maybe half a teaspoon of salt in the water. And so when they steam, they get a little bit. And then I put in there with the sauce. Everything go. Now, I put the pasta. You can use any short pasta. Any short pasta is good. Not the long one, but the short one, okay? Put it all, why not? What the heck? Yeah, that's coming. See, when you cook a sauce, it smells so good, you know? These days you go in the store, you buy sausage made. But I'm gonna hard that. I don't say I don't like it. Probably there's nothing wrong, but I like better because I get used to do that. I think I got meat here, but it doesn't matter. A little bit meat, maybe not. I forgot to ask my wife. Okay, now, a little bit of white wine, because you're gonna cook a little. There, see? There you go. Sausage is just about ready. You go. I have to give it just a second to cool off a little bit, eh? Yeah, they look good, see? Yeah, people like to feel the meat. I don't want to cut it too thin. I usually use a finger, but they're too hard now. I just take it out.
How many people do you think this will feed?
Oh, half a kilo pasta is not for 4 or 5 people, especially when they got all the stuff in there, eh? You have to keep your hand clean all the time. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, no more. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Hey. Oh, hell, they're good. I should put more people, but that's okay. It's good enough. You can use a rapini, you can use it, any kind of beans, asparagus, anyway. But I like to put it better. It looks better with the vegetable, and to me it's more easy to eat. And I think that's ready to put in here. I cook about this in 9 minutes. I cook about 5, 6, and then put in the oven. In the oven, they don't cook it as fast as they cook in the water, but it's still heat in there. You got moist, and you got the vegetable, and for another 15 minutes, the way you would do today was just perfect. Hey, we're making the right thing here. That's the mozzarella. You have to have this to put in the oven. You can't put a pasta without mozzarella in the oven. Okay, mozzarella. Okay, see? And Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay. I can put some more, yeah. And leave in there, they can make a nice, look nice, eh? Another thing I want to say something. There's quite a bit of moisture in there now, but in case, I keep this for the end. In case they're gonna get too dry, I got a little bit broth, eh? I check it, you stir it, you put it back in there. There you go, boy. Okay. Okay. It cooks slow, okay? I put it 360, another about 5 minutes. So in the meantime, I clean up here a little bit, put away the stuff we don't need it. 15 minutes be ready, okay? 15 minutes. Guarantee ready. Okay, now this pasta here I think is ready, I think, you see? Oh yeah, see? But I want to put in there about 2 minutes. 2 minutes, if you can get a bit crispy color, okay? No, don't dry, but just for a couple of minutes, okay? Yeah, but I don't want not too much because I don't want it to dry up too much, eh? Okay. Oh, it's hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Smell good, looking good. Look, what's wrong with that? Rita, time to try. Okay, here.
Huh?
Here.
Oh yeah, formaggio.
A little bit of wine for you.
Oh yes.
A little bit of wine for me.
Yeah.
You drink your own wine, I drink my own wine. It's two different kind of wine here.
Oops, I spelled too.
Okay. I don't know, I think it's good.
Very good, look
Okay,
good, but
try.
I gotta taste it.
Try,
Okay?
try. You
Try. Buon appetito.
Yeah. Just right. Yeah, not too dry, not too wet, just right. Yeah. Very good.
My goodness. Can Poppy eat this stuff?
Nice, huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah. Peas to give it, and the sauce to give it a lot of flavor, I don't care what. Mariano
Oh,
sauce.
Sandro's is very good.
Very good. Pasta Al Forno, do it. It's not too expensive, two, three sauces, $3-4 worth of pasta, and there's a bit of time to cook it. Sauce already made, okay?
How long did it take us, do you think?
All together, take an hour because in the oven, eh? But if you do without oven, in the half an hour, you can get it ready. If you got the sauce already made. If you make the sauce, it takes a bit more. But because we use the oven a little bit, about an hour and a quarter, that's good. But you don't do that every day. Sometimes when you got friends, you say, hey, we make a nice pasta al forno tonight, okay. You know, that for change, eh? But that's good, very, very good. Yeah. It's good, huh?
Oh, more finished.
You want more finish? There's some more here, don't worry. Thank you, guys. Try. Mariano, thank you to watch the video, okay? Goodbye. Now I go outside because it's nice today. It's not too warm, but it's nice outside. I go clean up a little bit. Start to get ready for the garden, okay? Salute a tutti.
Bye.
Salute. Okay?
Ciao.
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 Oh, sole mio.